Let me just draw your attention to this word, senior financial advisor. You know, when you were doing your skills level paper, so sometimes in exam, the question says that you are an accountant, okay? Or probably it said that you are the chief accountant. So you understand that paper from until F9, you know, which was skills level. Examiner expects you to act as an accountant or a junior accounting professional. But when you come to these P-level papers, strategic professional papers, whether it is SBR or SBL or AFM, whatever, you are expected to think like, I'm focusing that you are expected to think like a CFO. You are no, or maybe a finance manager, or maybe a finance advisor. You are no more an accountant. I always say that in order to be successful in for any task, you have to put yourself into that scenario. So you have to start thinking like that. I am a CFO. I'm not an accountant. So I can't have a very narrow perspective. I should have a very wider perspective. So role of a senior financial advisor, it's not a role of an accountant, okay?